Hey there, Ryan with Bristol Clean. Just wanted to show you kind of what is left behind when you have hot water extraction done by somebody who does not have their certifications, or anything else, or some of the hack guys that are out there. A lot of these guys, they just might use like soapy cleaners. They might throw in like a laundry detergent or that Fabuloso. There's a lot of them out there that'll do it instead of using professional chemicals that do not leave residues. Anyway, this carpet here, I did a little hot water extraction on. I had a bit of a spill of one of my cleaners, and I just want to show you what is left behind in this carpet. I've rinsed it a bunch of times, but you see all that foam right there? I think I've rinsed this at least 10 times. I got defoamer in there. I'm using an acid rinse, like an all fiber rinse here, and actually mixed up really strong to help break this up. And no matter what I do, it still goes, and I'll show you. I'll do a rinse, some rinses for you. See, no matter how much acid wash and defoamer I use, it doesn't matter. You can see over here, I even have defoamer sprinkled on it as I'm rinsing with, my acid wash to neutralize the alkaline that's in here. And it doesn't matter. It still stays foamy and soapy as all get out. Look at that. And I've already rinsed this side too, believe it or not. And I just did a fresh layer of defoamer. That's wild. So yeah, just so you know, be careful. Watch out for anybody that's not certified or has experience in this field, because you might end up with somebody dumping a bunch of soap in your carpets. And what happens is that soap collects dirt. It's a natural dirt collector because of the oily residue that's left behind. So anywho, that's all. Just thought I'd give you all the heads up, and have a wonderful Sunday.